All right, let's do it. Science shells better do. First, we're gonna do them triangles, baby. You got 4 90-degree angles, right? Flip that sucker like so. 4 more triangles. 815. We docking 815. You docking the 815 head. Thanks, Michelle. Fuck it. I mean, excuse me. All right, let's do it. Oh. All right, that's that one. Let's do the pocket. Abracadabra. Oh. What up? Okay, we gotta do the pocket now. Halfway in the center. Halfway in the center. Hey. I'm just so bored. I'm so bored. I'm sorry. I'm just fucking bored. I'm just bored. I ain't done this shit in a while, so I'm like, fuck it. Yeah. Damn, you so loud. Damn, you know we live. Damn. This is the stuff I gotta deal with. Don't worry, you're not on there. They don't know who you is. Turn them like this. Now you have your pocket. All right. Now, have your plate for the spinach artichoke dip, or if you have a crab dip, bam, there you go. Okay? That's the pocket open, like a vagina.